Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about the shuffling or permutation of the NumPy arrays. So what a permutation is? Permutation simply means the arrangement or we can say that the shuffling or arrangement of the elements of the NumPy arrays. Like we can say if we have one array which contains 1, 6 and 7. So this is an array. So if you want to have a permutation of this one, we can write 6, 7 and 1. So the second is the permutation of first. We can also write it as 1, 7 and 6. So it is also the permutation or shuffling. So we can now we need to start our coding. So we will write from NumPy import random. So because we are doing the random permutation, not any sort of biased permutation, it is just a random one. So from NumPy import random. So from NumPy import random simply means that we are supposed to import the submodule random from the main library, that is the NumPy. Random is the subpart of this main library, so you need to import it out. After it we need to write import NumPy is abr, simple as b. You can write as ab means that it is the object, it is an object through which we can access this main library, that is the NumPy library. So you can write anything here. Instead of ab we can even write like AAR, we can even write AAR, or even is according to our own choice. So these are for the importing. Now we need to write an array underscore 00 is equal to, okay, so we can write here AA dot array, and we will first write our array NumPy array 1, 9, 10, 0. Okay, so in my previous lectures I used to explain that how we can create a NumPy array. So just listen that you can see this is our list data type. This is also an array like thing, okay, but it is not specifically like we cannot say it is a NumPy array. We can say it is a list data type. If a thing is in like square brackets, it is in the form of list, okay, list data type. This array function will take this list data type and convert it into the NumPy array. And why we have written AA dot array? Because array belongs to AA or NumPy module, okay. So after NumPy array is created, all is send it to the array underscore 00 variable. It is we can write anything here, not it is not necessary to just write this thing, okay. We can write ABC or anything because it is just a variable to store something. Now we will start our permutation. So we can write like a random dot shuffle, okay, and shuffle function will shuffle our this array function, this array NumPy array. And if we write double is equal to random dot shuffle, so what will happen, all this will be stored to double e, okay. So we will write, okay, now we will print double e, the shuffled. After shuffling, this shuffled all these elements and store all this inside double e. So we will run it out. Okay, wait, why it is saying like this? Wait, we need to print it like this. Okay, then okay, what will happen now? Random dot shuffle and array underscore 00. So can we change it with permutation function? So permutation is working, okay. This function which also like permutation, but here our permutation function is working properly. So okay, so can I write shuffle here? Shuffle array of underscore 00. Still I got nothing. Okay, none. So it is better to write permutation here, and it will also change the original array. Permutation function also used to change this original array. So just run it out, and it changes the like indexes. It changes, it shuffled over, it randomly shuffled. Okay, it doesn't mean that it used to show some sort of biasness. Okay, it just randomly shuffled all these things. So we can say it is our permutation function. So hopefully you got the concept regarding how to use the permutation function within the PyCharm. So thanks for visiting our channel.